Okay, boys and girls, I want to show you how to complete the lesson 8. One thing I did not mention in lesson 7, I do give you blue workbook pages to complete in your blue workbook for practice. I do expect those to be done, even though you're not turning them in. I will be checking them when you come back to make sure that you've done the pages that I've given you as practice. Because you will get participation for that. So make sure you do complete the workbook pages as well. And then these are the ones that you will do for grade. You have 2 for 8, you have 8A and 8B. Here is 8A, and this is counting, and I've done an example for you. This is $136. Make sure you put the dollar sign, and please don't leave any spaces between the dollar sign and the number. And when you're writing your expanded form, please make sure you go from hundreds, then your tens, and then your ones. If you do not have any ones, like down here, don't put a 0, just leave it blank. So that would be 100 plus what? What would that be? What's that 9 worth? 90. And right here, don't put a 0 for your tens, just skip it, okay? And make sure that you put your dollar signs as I did. And I want you to notice there are no spaces right in here. And the reason I'm cautioning you on this is because the computer, I've put the answers in and the computer grades it. And I don't want you to miss something simply because you put an extra space or something in there. Okay. So on here, you have 451. So how many $100 bills are you going to need? How many $10 bills are you going to need? How many dollar bills are you going to need? And let me caution you again, dollar signs and no spaces. Okay. So that is 8A. 8B looks like this. And this time you have to count the total number of money. Make sure you put your dollar sign and no spaces. Down here, again, you just fill in like you did before. Dollar signs, no spaces. How many $100 bills, how many tens, and how many dollar bills are you going to need to make 172 and then 226. So that should be pretty easy. When you're done, you click I'm done. So that is lesson 8. Again, please be careful. Dollar signs and no spacings.